This baby is nice and secure inside. It looks funny, I know. Hi friends, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing Mompush Stroller. So let's see what we have. Just showing you the box from all four sides. It's very small, somewhere around 2.5 feet tall. Here are the details on stroller size, folded or unfolded. When we open the box, this is what we see: a picture of a baby and a bunch of things. This is a user manual, we believe, and warranty card in it. And voila, it's all assembled. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes out from the box. It's already assembled. We thought that we are going to be attaching the wheels and stuff, but no, nothing like that. We're just going to be removing the packing material. Oops, it's falling. Packing material, and we're just gonna cut the ties off and then see how it looks. I think the wheels that goes on the back needed to be attached, so we'll do that, no worries. We're gonna figure out how to open this first and then we'll show you. Here's a set of wheels that's gonna go on the back. Okay, so it's going in. It's very easy. It's gonna lock super easy. Just have to push it in. Now we are trying to figure out how it's gonna open. So this is a one hand fold or unfold stroller. You're just gonna need one hand, and see, we have unfolded it, and to fold it we are just gonna use the same buttons right here. We press this one and there's one underneath it. Press them together and it's gonna unfold very easily. I'm going to show you this clip again. Right now we are just also practicing on it. We are not sure, but see how easily it folded back. Quickly, I want to show you what came out from the box other than the stroller itself. We have this traveling bag where we can put the stroller in and travel with it. I checked the reviews and some people said that it is too big for cabin size, the air cabin size, but we'll see. Well, if we travel, we'll let you know about that. We cannot say anything. Another thing it came with is a rain cover, which is excellent. We won't have to buy that separate, and a cup holder. This is how it looks. I'm already moving it inside my home. Very easy and convenient to move around. Got this on sale from Prime Day. We had $50 off on it. I think it is for $300 and we got it for $250. So good deal, and looks like a sturdy and safe stroller for my toddler. We have a snack tray, cup holders, which is excellent. We have safety belts, and then we have this umbrella to cover a child from rain and sunlight. We have an extender for the umbrella, so if your child is sleeping it can extend a bit, or maybe it's not an extender, sorry. This is a peekaboo window from where you can have a look at your child from. This is how stroller's brake work. You simply push it with your foot and it's gonna be locked. To unlock it, you simply put your foot underneath the brake, pull it up, and it starts moving again. Okay, we have a push button here that we can use. If I pull it up like that, wait, there's a push button that I can pull it up to bring the seat down, and it becomes almost flat for your child to be comfortable in. They can sleep in it. And then if you want to make them upright, then you just simply push it back. It's gonna be in upright position. There is a small storage basket underneath the stroller, and it's extendable as well, which is an added feature. So overall seems like a good stroller. We won't be sure until we take it out and take some walks with it, with a child inside, of course. The cup holder that came with it, it has attachment with grooves that can go inside. You can simply slide it in like so, and then you can put a water bottle or something. No hot beverages, of course. With a child, we need to be careful with that. So let's try the child in. Let's put the child in and see how it works. Okay, so this is how the child is sitting inside. Okay, here I'm gonna show you how to buckle a baby in a stroller. Right now I don't have a baby and I used a plushie because mine moves so much. It would have been impossible to record that with her inside it. We managed to do it, but for recording purposes I'm just using a plushie for now. Before putting the belt on the baby, I just want to show you that one thing we did not like at all is this buckle here. When we push it towards the baby, it's gonna come off. It needs a lot of force, but it comes off like that and it separates. So here's the buckle, and then we have to put that bit back in again. So my husband and I are thinking to put a glue inside this groove so we don't have to reattach the buckle over and over again. I know this is extra work, but we like the stroller so much that we can go and do that just so we can use it comfortably. So even without the glue, just want to show you how it goes back. It just slides in very easily like that, but it comes off very easily too. So that's why we are planning on putting a glue in here so we don't have to worry about it coming out over and over again. All right, the buckling part is fairly easy. Just pretend this is a baby. Pretty chubby for a baby, but just want to show you guys. I hope I'll be able to do with this size. You just put this around the baby, pretend these are arms right here, and then we pull up a bottom buckle which is right here. I'm just going to show you like that. You pull this up and then you simply click that in, lock it until you hear a click sound. Sorry, this baby is going to be squished up. Just slide it in until you hear a click sound. There we go. This baby is nice and secure inside. It looks funny, I know, but it's nice and secure. And if I can, I'll take some more clips with the baby inside it. Right now she was really upset, so we took her out because we are inside the home. She's gonna be happy when we head out. You wouldn't know how a stroller is gonna work until you take it out in a mall or somewhere busy. So right now we are in the mall. Baby is inside, as you guys can see, and it's moving really smoothly. I'm filming from one hand and my other hand is on the stroller. I'm literally moving this with one hand. You guys can see we are outside. There's a curb here. Stroller goes up really nice. Stroller goes down easily as well. Very safe for baby. So yeah, that's the Mompush stroller review for you guys. If you guys want to buy it, go ahead. Looks like a good stroller. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.